Hi all, welcome to Daily Hacking News Series. I hope you have subscribed so that I don't want to speak a lot of blah blah stuff. So let's get started with the first news. The first news is coming from Apple. So Apple just added a memory protection feature to the new iPhone that they have released, which is iPhone 17, and they have A90 chipset, which is the fastest ever produced, right, for iPhones only. And this is actually there is a spyware resistant memory safety feature which is also added. There's a lot of things in the system, and there is a something called MIE, memory integration enforcement, which is very much helpful for the people those who don't want to get with the memory attacks, right? So I'll give you a little bit more briefing. So the feature that I've told you right now is prevent hackers from exploiting memory bugs to steal data or install spywares, right? So memory bugs are right now often used by attackers to run malicious code and without permissions, right? So with this, even if the malware reaches to your phone, it becomes much harder to control or steal information. So this is very good, something good which is introduced by the Apple, something new technology which was already in Google Pixel, but let's see how this is coming out because it was released like right now. Now the next news is coming from Pixel, Google. So Google thought कि हम भी क्यों पीछे रहे, so they have introduced a new thing which is called something for the fake photos. So Google Pixel 10 is now using photo verification technology, which actually detects the AI edited or fake pictures, right? And this is adding a tag which is showing the photo is real or not, right, with all the images. And guys, why it matters? You might be thinking why this is important for the people those who are not aware with the AI stuffs. So because it matters because AI generated images can be used to spread fake news or impersonate a people. There's a lot of people those who are doing suicide, a lot of stuff. So this is going to help user trust why and what they see online and prevent scams or misinformation. So this is what you can see. A lot of briefing is given on the things, right? Now the next news is about an app which is probably you're using from a very long time, which is Signal. So they have allowed encryption cloud backup for chats as well. So if you're going to upload something as a chat backup, then there will be encryption there as well. So right now, if there is a chat, then it will be stored safely in the cloud as well and only accessible by the user, not other parties. So this is important, and a lot of people were thinking of the same. So this is important because if the phone is lost or stolen, messages can be restored without being exposed, right? So this actually gives user a peace of mind and data security in case the device is failure, right? If which means if your device get compromised, then this is going to be a something good for you, right? You can see choose your backup plan. What? Oh, that's paid. That's paid, I guess so. Oh, that's free. Two options are there: $1.99 per month, and there is free thing as well. So let's see that is great, which is probably you need to pay for the things. So right now there's a lot of website is getting attacked. There's a lot of cyber attack which is going around. So companies are paying a lot to the bug hunters. Bug hunters are the people those who report bugs. If you want to learn about bug bounty, you can check out this URL vieh.com/tci. Now without wasting time, let's move to the next news, which is coming from China. So hackers are targeting US trade officials. Yes, that is true, guys. So basically the news is China linked group, which is APT41, right? You can see here. So APT41 is something you can see China linked APT41. They are targeting US, right? So guys, the update is the 41 APT41 is sending a fake email pretending to be the US lawmakers, and this the goal is very simple. Might be a state-sponsored hacker. This is tricking officials and organizations into sending sensitive trade information so that if they get, they will do some. I don't know what you feel like. Just let me know in the comment box. So right now they are using the malware to gain unauthorized access to the computers and emails. And guys, remember one thing: phishing attacks are still on the most common ways hackers steal data. And I don't know why the people are so stupid. They're getting trapped in the phishing even right now as well. Now the next news is related to DDoS. So there's a DDoS protection service. It was attacked with 1.5 billion requests per second, and hackers used thousands of compromised devices and routers. Right now, like if you see about the Cloudflare news which was in the last week, right? IoT devices, those who are compromised, it's getting attacked from there. So might be the same pattern is found here. So right now, if you don't know what is DDoS attack, then it's kind of attack which try to overload the server and making website or server unavailable, right? So there is a advanced filtration and mitigations which can stop the attack, and this is showing how cyber defense system are evolving. So it was involved in that DOS protections service provider, so that बच गया भाई, नहीं तो वो भी जाता. You can see a huge something, you can see a pop-up, right? We also face on our website, but as we are security professionals, we stop each and every attacks that probably we'll see. Now the next news is coming from Microsoft, right? You will see the tag. So Microsoft patch 80 security flaw in Windows and other apps. So there is a critical bug in SMB server. So the vulnerability which actually let hackers access computer remotely, it was a RC something like of thing. So there's a security patches are essentials right now, because it just fix the vulnerability. Just update your Windows as soon as possible, and always install update immediately when you see any update anywhere, wherever the internet, right? Now next news is related to KillSec. You can see something lagging here. I need to erase the stuff. So there's a news which is related to KillSec. So there's a ransomware group. Actually, KillSec is a ransomware, and they are like KillSec ransomware is encrypting hospital files in the Brazil and demanding ransomware payment. Right. So this is something which is very much concerning, guys. And right now, healthcare is the major target because the patient data is valuable and the time is critical, right? Because someone is sleeping in the emergency, someone is in the ICU, then that is very critical. Anyone can pay you any amount if you want. So guys, if the hospital can't access file, it can affect patient care and operations, right? So this is showing why backup system and ransomware preparation are crucial, right? So I urgently request the hackers community, don't target the what you see the healthcare services, right? But hackers black hat are always a black hat. Anyways, next news is related to SessionReaper, right? So there's a SessionReaper flaw which let hackers take over customer account in e-commerce site, right? Guys, actually this affect Magento and Adobe commercial platform, and hackers can steal personal information, order history and payment detail and all those things which is going around, right? This is not much concerning. But now the last news is coming from China once again. So this is the same that I have explained in the starting. So I hope you will join this program because you'll got to learn a lot of things from here. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.